Hi, this short video is going to go over how to log into CTLS Learn, as well as to where to find our digital sessions. The first thing that you need to do is open up CTLS Learn. I sent the link for CTLS Learn inside of the post where you're watching this video, so go ahead and open up CTLS Learn if you didn't already. For the student ID, you're going to be using your @students.cobbk12.org email address. Usually, the beginning part of your email is your first name, period, last name. And then your password is what you set for last year. If you are unsure of your password and need it reset, please contact the school and they can help you reset that. Since I'm the teacher and not the student, I'm going to go ahead and delete the student part, but obviously you guys do need that. So now that you've logged in, you will see all of your classes. I am going to show you guys where to get to the digital session using my 4th period classroom for 6th grade, but if obviously you are in 8th grade, you're going to click on your 6th period reading class. So once you click on Ms. Farzad's reading class, it will take you to our home page. Here on our home page, you can see our digital learning schedule, which is when we meet. But what we really need from here is to get to our digital sessions. So if you look over onto the left side of the screen, there is a bar with different tabs. We are currently on the home tab. Where we need to go is digital sessions. So once you hover over it, it will highlight red and you are going to click digital sessions. You'll see you have 2 options available. Lesson 1 is from the first day of school, and Lesson 2, August 21st, Reading Inventory, is the lesson for today. You will click on the lesson, and once class has gone live at 1:15 for 6th grade and 2:15 for 8th grade, it will automatically take you to the Zoom classroom when you click on this. If it does not automatically take you to Zoom, you'll be able to click this green Join Live Classroom. Obviously, you can't click it right now because I have not started the live session yet. Once I go live, you'll be able to click this.